How to request money on Monese. If you'd like to request money using the Monese app, it is quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Monese application, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. From here, you want to make sure that you're logged into your account and just go to the pay option that you can find from the bottom. Now once you go to the pay option from the bottom, you'll find pay, request and standing orders, where you want to go to the request option right there. It says to request money from nearby friends, or you can make a new request as well. So depending on what is it that you want to, select the new request option, select the name of the person that you'd like to request the money from, and if they approve it, that money will be deposited into your account. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically request money on the Monese app. If you have got any further questions, queries, doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.